It's comparable to a personal loan. So the bank's personal loans range 12 to 14%. We sit at about 12% total cost to clients. There are a couple of fees and charges in there. It's not solely an interest model. We have obviously under our obligations under credit license, we have to disclose all those things openly, transparently to clients. So there's no surprises. But the fees and charges add up to about 12% is probably the best way to describe it.
From my perspective, being the lawyer, it's a case of us issuing the invoice or requesting some monies on trust. We send both you and the client an email at the same time, so completely transparent, and then he writes back to us and says, yep, good to go. And it's, really easy.
Yeah, we don't make payments without the client's permission. It's their money at the end of the day. And so as long as they say, yes, please make the payment each month or whenever you're sending bills through or into trust, like you said before, into trust, that's important as well. And we do. And sort of helped along that way. And it's not just, I shouldn't say, it's not just those clients who have no income, for example, that can't pay. It's plenty of people out there who have other pressures on the mortgage, the school fees, range of living costs, and they just don't want to. They don't want to dip into savings or access super early, or they don't want to sell an asset, sell shares, incur tax consequences, all those types of things. Or lean on friends or family or parents or the credit card. So there are a range of people, and people like your client who didn't want to go into court and engage in litigation, save their money that way. So a range of people that we can help.
Yeah, and it certainly keeps us as the lawyers accountable, because as you say, it's always the client that says yes to the payment on each stage. So in our arrangement with you and with our client, we had his matter sort of scoped in stages, and every stage of the way we would say these are what the costs are, please give the green light, please confirm with rates so that this is okay. And he went through it and made sure it was all good, and it was ultimately up to him. So
it'd be very useful and helpful for collaborative matters as well, where people aren't on that litigation path. And then also for fixed fee type models as well, where lawyers are starting to operate in more of a fixed fee model that it can sort of wrap nicely into that process too.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think the most obvious thing would be you can pick up the phone and call us and got questions, whether it's both clients or lawyers, and say, look, this is the matters I've got, or the clients I've got, or this is how it works, or I've heard about you, how does it work? We're here to help solve those problems that commonly incur, and particularly when there's drain on taxpayer resources at the moment. There's a squeeze on public funds. The court system is in backlog, and there's delays, as you very well know. You know, trying to take that pressure off. So we're there to help is probably the most important thing that I can let you know and your listeners know, is that we're there to help and to call if you've got any questions.
Thank you so much for speaking with me today, Leigh. It's been really great. And yeah, I look forward to working with you again, and both of us helping our clients through this difficult time.
Indeed. Thanks very much, Pepe. It was a pleasure.
No problem, Leigh. Bye.
Bye-bye.